Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Chef, and Happy New Year's. Today we're going to do something quick, easy, and fermented. So if you follow me over to cutting board, we can get started on fermented mustard. To get started, let's make sure our mason jar is nice and sanitized and clean. Let's pour our mustard seeds in there. Followed by our filtered water. And then we're going to add our apple cider vinegar and our salt. Give this a stir, and we're going to put a lid on this and let it sit on the counter for 3 days. Don't forget to label your ferments. During those 3 days, make sure to stir this, and of course, don't put your lid on tightly, letting those gases out. After the 3 days, enjoy. If you guys enjoyed my videos, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. The link will be listed below. Until then, Bearded Chef, out.